Good morning, dear students. Today, we are going to build the structure of a plant and its flower. For that, we will need scissors, paper, don't you worry about the type of paper, colors, pencil, markers, glue, or tape. Now, the first thing we are going to do is draw our plant and the flower with its parts. Here is an example to guide you. The second thing we are going to do is add color. Use the colors that you want. But remember that we are creating a plant based on a real one. Now, cut out the parts with the help of your parents. Remember to call your parents for this part, okay? Okay, so take all your pieces and put them aside and continue with the next part of our activity. Cut pieces of paper. You must have a total of 16 pieces of paper, okay? Decorate them however you want, but leave a space in the middle to write. Now that you have everything you need, let us begin. Take your biology notebook. Okay, so take your biology notebook or your science notebook and let's start gluing. Get your glue ready. Let's start with the root. Remember that the root is responsible for absorbing all the nutrients and water from the soil. Put the name and paste it all very well. You are going to do this with each part. Now the following is the stem, which is responsible for transporting to all parts of the plants the nutrients and water that it needs. Put the name of the stem. Now, the leaves, responsible for the photosynthesis, transform nutrients from the soil into food for the plants. Now we're going to glue the flower. The first part of the flower is the stamen. Has two parts, anthers and filaments. The anthers carry the pollen. These are generally yellow in color. So glue it and put the name. Now we're going to continue with the pistil. This part has three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma is the sticky surface at the top of the pistil. It traps and holds the pollen. The style is the tube-like structure that holds up the stigma. The style leads down to the ovary that contains the ovule. So put these two parts too, the ovary and the ovules. We're going to write it and glue it. Other parts of the flower that are important are the petals and sepals. Petals attract pollinators and are usually the reason why we buy and enjoy flowers. The sepals are the green petal-like part at the base of the flower. Sepals help protect the developing bud. Okay, dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this activity. See you next time. See you later. Have a nice weekend.